If you're stuck trying to remove spilled aluminum roof coating from your concrete sidewalk, you're definitely not alone, and there are some legit ways to tackle this sticky situation. So here's the deal. Aluminum roof coating is basically aluminum powder mixed with a binder, which makes it super tough to get off concrete since it bonds pretty well and isn't like paint that just peels away. First off, since you've already scraped off the thicker top layer, the next step is usually some kind of chemical or mechanical approach. Muriatic acid gets thrown around a lot for concrete cleaning jobs, but it's harsh and can damage your sidewalk if not used carefully. So if you try it, make sure you dilute well and wear gloves and goggles. Another thing people mention is using a blowtorch to burn it off, but honestly, that's not going to work on concrete like it might on a roof surface, plus it's risky and could mess up your concrete or cause burns. Your best bet might be a method called ablation, which is basically sanding or grinding the surface to physically remove the coating without chemicals. Renting a concrete grinder or hiring a pro can get the job done smoothly without wrecking your sidewalk. Also, try some heavy-duty concrete cleaners or degreasers made for tough stains. Sometimes repeated applications with scrubbing can lighten the stain even if it doesn't fully disappear. Just remember that patience is key here. This stuff clings tight, so don't expect it to come off in one go. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when dealing with aluminum roof coating on concrete is going in with the wrong tools or chemicals that either don't work or damage the concrete itself. For example, pouring full-strength muriatic acid straight on without dilution can eat into your sidewalk surface, causing permanent damage and making things worse. Another common issue is expecting the coating to just wipe off like normal paint. Since it's bonded with a binder and powdery aluminum, it needs more serious removal methods like grinding or sanding. Lastly, trying to use heat from a blowtorch often backfires because concrete doesn't react like roofing materials do, so this can create safety hazards without helping much. To avoid these problems, stick to recommended products for concrete cleaning, always wear proper protective gear, and consider getting advice from pros if you're unsure how aggressive you should be. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid go-to if you want to connect with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff about tricky cleanup jobs like this and can handle it safely. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself looking for new gigs in your area, BigHomeProjects.com helps link you up with homeowners who need exactly what you offer.